So, you are interested in giving to Catalyst Church. Fantastic. But you're wondering what options are available for me to be able to give. And if you're asking that question, I am so glad that you asked, because this video is going to show you our giving options for Catalyst Church. Towards the end of our worship services, we begin passing around buckets. And in these buckets, you can place your connection card in there. You can place any bulletins that we can reuse, or you can place your gift in that bucket. This gives you an opportunity to give by cash or check. But when you come in before the service and receive your bulletin, don't forget that there are these cool, nifty envelopes that you can place your gift in and then place it into the bucket. We also offer an online giving option. To do that, simply go to catalystnc.churchcenter.com, and on that page, click on the Give button in order to give online. Maybe you want to keep track of your giving or set it up so that your giving is reoccurring or have an automatic withdrawal from your bank account. Well, you can do that too. Go to catalystnc.churchcenter.com. Once you're there, click on the Log In option from the list, and there you will be asked to put in your phone number. Now, if you already have an account with Church Center, it'll take you directly back to the homepage. But if you don't, it will then ask for your email address. Then you can punch in a code that is sent to you via text message. Once you're there, you will enter your name, and following that, it'll send you back to the home page, and there you can click Give, and then on that page you can set up for reoccurring giving and automatic withdrawal. I hope that this video helped you out in determining the most convenient way for you to give. I also want to thank you so much for watching this video and for your support of Catalyst Church. If you have any questions, comments, or need any clarification on anything in this video, don't hesitate to reach out to me at richie@catalystchurch.org.